We learned how to cross the three massive rivers of technology, culture, and education. Imagine hearing those exact words, not just at the end of some standard run-of-the-mill online course, but at the thrilling conclusion of a grueling 15-week expedition. If you're a prospective learner sitting there right now wondering if this program is just going to be another bullet point for your resume, well, let me stop you right there. This isn't just a class, it's a crucible, and it's designed to completely change how you view your own capabilities.
Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're breaking down the K-Culture EdTech Expert Training Program by looking at its ultimate proving ground, the Week 15 Final Showcase. If you're kind of on the fence about applying, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you mix ancient traditions with cutting-edge tech. We'll look at the real, unvarnished struggles the current students faced, how they pushed through them, and the incredible long-term networks they walked away with.
So here's our roadmap for today. Number 1, crossing the three rivers. Number 2, tech struggles and cultural essence. 3, innovative Samulnori coding. 4, real value beyond evaluation. And finally, 5, the launch of the EdTech network, KEN. By the end of this, you'll have a fully transparent look into the innovations and the community waiting for you. All right, Section 1, crossing the three rivers, the Week 15 finale. I want you to just imagine yourself standing in this bustling, energetic event hall. The air is literally vibrating with excitement. This is the climax of your 15-week journey. You're not just handing in a final paper to a professor. You are presenting a brand new world to a panel of high-level industry experts and your peers. The whole goal here? It isn't passing a class. It's becoming a first-generation pioneer who merges three disciplines to create a new ocean. They make it absolutely clear during the showcase that this isn't about handing you a simple certificate of completion. No way. They are forging pioneers. You're taking three massive, entirely distinct rivers, technology, culture, and education, and synthesizing them into something the world hasn't seen before. That's the weight of what's expected of you.
Moving to Section 2, Tech Struggles and Cultural Essence, the behind-the-scenes reality.
Now, what's really interesting about this is we have to look past the polished presentations on stage and examine the grueling behind-the-scenes work revealed in the poster sessions. Because to become that pioneer, you really have to get your hands dirty. If you're watching this and feeling a bit anxious about the technical rigor of the program, that is completely valid. You're going to face harsh, constructive feedback that forces you to tear down and refine your initial proposals. You'll be iteratively evolving AI-generated images, struggling to get them just right. You'll spend hours upon hours running endless prompt trials. Actually, scratch that. It's more like endless days, simply to nail the cultural localization. Finding the exact words to explain a deeply traditional concept to an AI is a massive challenge. It's tough. But pushing through that exact frustration and finally getting it right is how you achieve true mastery.
And that intense struggle, it leads to a profound realization. Superficial tech gimmicks versus sincere cultural essence. The ultimate lesson you take away isn't just how to manipulate AI or write a line of code. Anyone can do that, right? The real magic is learning how to use those digital tools to capture the true, intricate meaning of something as delicate as a traditional hanbok knot or the soul of a historical sound. The technology is just the vessel. The cultural essence is what you are truly learning to protect and project.
Let's look at Section 3, Innovative Samulnori Coding, a masterclass in problem solving.
And this brilliantly illustrates what that looks like in practice. Let's look at an actual anchor case study from the showcase. It really reveals the kind of breathtaking innovation this 15-week crucible produces when learners fully commit. Just look at the brilliant sequence of steps this team took. First, they isolated the incredibly complex traditional Korean Samulnori rhythm. Second, they didn't just record it, they translated that rhythm into universal, code-based music logic. And third, they modularized the curriculum so it could be adapted for global instruments, like African drums. Think about that for a second. They didn't just digitize Korean music, they turned it into a universally scalable educational tool that bridges cultures. A real game changer.
Now, Section 4, Real Value Beyond Evaluation, Expert Validation and Industry Exposure. During the finale, you get 12 minutes to pitch your project, but then you face an intense 8-minute Q&A with a panel of experts. This completely shifts the whole shebang from simply getting an academic grade to proving your project's real-world impact and global strategy. Listen to this incredible validation from a cultural education expert on the panel. They said,
The most touching part is the sincerity to capture the essence of culture with digital tools, not just falling into the play of technology. That is profound. These high-level experts aren't easily impressed by flashy apps. They're looking for the deep cultural respect that this program specifically fosters in you. And the feedback gets incredibly practical too. An EdTech investor on the panel told the team, "I don't see investment potential, I see collaboration potential. Focus on field testing and building a strong user community." This is a vital takeaway for you as prospective learner. The ultimate goal here is real-world partnership and sustainable value creation. These experts are sitting in the audience looking at you as future colleagues and collaborators, giving you the exact blueprint to take your project to the public education market. Let's move to Section 5, Launch of EdTech Network KEN. The journey starts after week 15.
The truth is, the ceremony where you get your certificate isn't the end. It's literally day one of a massive new professional chapter. On the very day of the showcase, KEN, that's the K-Culture EdTech Network, officially launches, and the first collaboration ideas are submitted immediately. Next week, the first regular online networking meeting takes place, and ongoing, you and your peers tackle global public education challenges together. Let this reassure you. 15 weeks ago, you might have started as strangers, but on graduation day, you are officially part of a lifelong collaborative community, already fully equipped with active Discord servers and GitHub organizations. You are never innovating alone again.
So we've walked through the intense technical struggles, the brilliant fusions of culture and code, the incredible validation from industry experts, and the lifelong network waiting for you at the finish line. Which leaves us with one final provocative question. Are you ready to cross the rivers and build the new ocean? If you want to push your limits, master new technologies, and step up as a true pioneer in a brand new industry, this is your expedition. The community is waiting for you.